Hey everybody, wanted to show you all some of the play features and articulation on my latest neoclassic space S.P.I.D.E.R exploration drone. This guy is a Hexapod robot with 2 manipulator arms and all of the accessories your little classic space astronauts could need while exploring extraterrestrial landscapes. It is covered with solar panels, hence the name, the S.P.I.D.E.R, solar-powered interstellar drone for extraterrestrial research. It has many different sensors and eyes, including this laser rangefinder down here, and a small manipulator arm that can bring tiny objects up to its more intricate sensors. Down here we have the manipulator arms, which can open and close their claws and be used for holding on to materials in space, assisting our astronauts in their space exploration. Get that guy in there. This is really hard to do one-handed. Come on, little guy. Here, we'll do that. Ta-da! All of these solar panels are adjustable for picking up the best rays from whatever nearby star. Including the top array here, which you can fold open to reveal the hatch that allows your astronauts access to work on the central core, safely tucked away inside, protected from the harsh elements. Down here we have all of our tools, including a little box here which is filled with extra materials for your astronauts. See if I can pan around so you can see. It's got all kinds of little extra doodads in there. We have these much lower down, giving your astronauts the ability to hitch a little ride on this guy as it travels across open terrain. And something I'm especially proud of on this is not only that all of our legs are articulated with all kinds of adjustable movements so that you can adapt to different surfaces. They also have working shocks, a little hard to show on this platform here. And the final feature is this guy. So we have our winch, which you can reel all the way out. And it's a little tight in this space here, but if we're lucky, I can show you that it can support the full weight of this machine here. Let's see if I can get it to work. And you can see it hanging from its cable, full Tachikoma style there. A nice little spin on it. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out, and I hope you all enjoy. Thanks.